Strengthening to integrate the Lover's Arcanum energies using the Yuen method. This 6 major Arcana tarot card integrates union, love, decisions, awareness, and harmony. Listen to this strengthening daily for 7 days until the next Arcanum is published. Strengthen to be mindless, empty, and spiritless. I strengthen the midline to be open, receptive, uncontrolled, fearless, and without expectations. I strengthen your cells to accept, admit, and recognize these energies. Strengthen to integrate and operate through them. Strengthen to view, understand, and interpret life through the Lover's energies. We boost your ability to connect with yourself and others, transcending all perception. We clear blockages preventing deep, authentic relationships. Blockages in mind, body, and spirit. I erase memories of traumatic, limiting relationships in you, ancestors, and descendants, with all cumulative effects. I boost your energy to feel unity in romantic relationships, friendships, family, and all meaningful life connections. Strength to release tensions causing separation, fear of intimacy, and insecurities. I remove destructive patterns in relationships from low self-esteem, lack of self-knowledge, and unresolved issues. I enhance your commitment to personal well-being, growth, and self-care. Strength to engage with others without compromising your mental, physical, and emotional health. I strengthen your ability to feel, perceive, and intuit your own worth, beauty, and greatness. I strengthen acceptance, recognition, and appreciation of your virtues and imperfections. I erase negative energy from self-criticism, low self-esteem, and beliefs that make you feel unworthy of love. Empowering you to experience love as an energy born within, expanding outward. Strengthening you to make important choices that guide your path. I enhance your ability to make decisions with clarity, aligned with your deepest values and desires. I neutralize confusion, fear of mistakes, and doubts that create blockages. I strengthen the mind-heart connection for balanced decisions, not swayed by reason or emotion alone. I boost harmony in your life, balancing mind and heart, giving and receiving light and shadow. I neutralize internal conflicts causing imbalance, integrating aspects to work together, not oppose. Empowering you to let energy flow freely, removing tensions that block peace and serenity. This arcana teaches us to accept life's dualities, strengthening your ability to integrate opposites, understanding that light needs darkness and love. Freedom is essential. I dissolve resistance to uncomfortable aspects of life, fostering harmony. I enhance your ability to build relationships on respect, trust, and love. I heal past wounds that made you doubt healthy connections. I boost commitment energy without sacrificing individuality. I enable authentic, strong connections without fear of vulnerability. I strengthen your capacity to receive love openly, fearlessly. I erase past traumas that led to feeling undeserving or closed off. I empower you to embrace the universe's abundant love freely. I strengthen you against duality. I empower neutral decision making, strong harmony between opposites, and integration of conscious and unconscious. I'll boost your commitment to yourself, others, and your projects. Strength to connect through awareness, abundance, and peace. I empower all meaningful relationships in your life. Strength to become more attractive to others. Boost emotional harmony and increase understanding, compassion, and patience. Strength to make key decisions with confidence and neutrality. Strength in uniting opposites and seeking harmony. Power to balance different aspects of life and personality. Strength to be present and aware of life's balance in all areas. This strong search for harmony aims to make your life more balanced. Let it be your powerful guide in every decision and action you take. We boost awareness of commitment's importance in building strong relationships. We reinforce the values of courage, commitment, and loyalty. Strengthen your ability to create lasting, meaningful, and deep bonds. Be willing to work on maintaining and strengthening these connections. We enhance spiritual union, divine love, and connection to the sacred. Strengthen the soul's union with the divine and integrate spirit and body. We deepen your spiritual connection. Seek a relationship that transcends the physical and reaches spiritual heights. We amplify your capacity to feel attraction, passion, and love. In everything you do and with everyone you interact with, we boost desire, creativity, and ideas to generate greater attraction. Feel the power of motivation, passion, and desire in love, career, creativity, and every aspect of life. Let this passion be a driving force that propels you forward in life. Strengthen inner and outer dynamics, boundaries, and angles to 100%, unlocking infinite potential always. Erase all weaknesses and obstacles, removing limits and blocks completely for all time. Reset, recalibrate, and reprogram your body, mind, and spirit. Feel yourself getting better and better with each moment.